My name is Judel Caballes, a third-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics student from Caraga State University. I've been a consistent Dean's Lister since my first year, and I am passionate about making mathematics more engaging and meaningful for learners. Over the past 3 years, I've developed a strong foundation in pedagogy, content mastery, and classroom management. I've had hands-on experience in lesson planning, classroom observation, and creating instructional materials. Currently, I'm working on my research titled Enhancing Grade 8 Mathematics Competencies Through Game-Based Learning. Aside from maintaining academic excellence, I've participated in math education webinars and trainings. I've also improved my tech skills using tools like GeoGebra, Canva, Google Classroom, and Zoom to support both traditional and online teaching environments. I believe my academic background, innovative mindset, and dedication make me a strong candidate for teaching related opportunities. Thank you for watching my video resume. I look forward to growing as an educator and contributing to student success. You can reach me at my email address at judelcaballes@gmail.com or my contact numbers 0966 460 7545. And that's all. Thank you.